Hello, my friends. I'm Kelly from Hengwang Group. This equipment is one of our most popular construction machines. It is called self-loading concrete mixer truck. The main function is to mix the cement, water, stone, and sand together to make the concrete. And the main application is for the construction site, the hydraulic engineering, and the bridge tunnel construction. The main feature is automatic mixing, automatic loading, and automatic unloading. So it can help you save the cost and save labor because it is the perfect combination of the loading car and the mixer. We adopted the leading Italy design. For this model, it's one of the most popular models of our concrete mixer truck. This model is HWJB350 with a mixing capacity 3.5 cubic meters. And this model is very popular in Southeast Asia, South America, and Africa. And for 1 hour, the output capacity is around 35 cubic meters. So it is high efficiency. And the main accessory for it is mainly the cement hopper. And the cylinder, we use the second cylinder, makes the machines durable. And the drum, we adopt the thickness for 6 millimeters thickness manganese steel for the drum. And the tire is double tire in front, very stable and durable. For the cabin, it is the luxury cabin, and the drum rotation degree is 270 degrees. It can rotate very freely, and the climbing ability is more than 35 degrees. So, and also it is a four-wheel drive. It also adopted the automatic watering, and the hydraulic pump is very popular also. For the